Minim say Ghana ase na abusuan kofo bebre na ebi wo ha obo mo social media unsa akoi na adwenye but minim say ebi mu dambon about to a certain point that we betimete no bi krom ne wadidi eyi ohene a owo eyesa kronum. Now this guy is called Mustafa endra abusuan week we e betintin e dey ama eye Mustafa because say right now Mustafa ni iPhone no just say o use facial ID now what the phone no tell them say ya phone no say I don't know you. We are from for because it's a demolishing him. Now the reason why this guy, I mean, you see him trending on the social media is that this guy is a person abra asante hima ye ne ka say okay no bi empia bonten na yen from pay tribute to asante hima na sanse oye nipa the particular no owo asante mamu na wo hye say is so what I say now this guy said say omo a omo suro pem so e na bi dis animal so
about 12 me da so na street ni mu be ma bia ntimi ma na sa mo kasa sa akwa mo kasa enko wa mo kasa me na antenante so me jun so gu so sa mo Otumfour na mo bu ne se Otumfour mama sa aboa bi pa asa woni tumi bia ma jimi o ma jimi fo we di mo so abera me nanti street ni mu yankopon ne bo ni wi ase on ne wotumi e wo yeso na mo tiri na ye yankopon e botrefo hene ampa e botrefo hene ko butu wi ase ne sisi ko butu wi ase ne mo kire no sama homa so na ma wiem se mo ana mo am yankopon butu wi ase no kora kun for ya kun wona kase enye ho ana yo kase yem butu ebe butu na ninyina nyankopon domo odo yen tin wanya abotara ma yen ko butu wi ase no odo ye pa menkon akora muntumi menkon mundi tumi wo meso ba nam so mo ma jimi no mo nyina akwadeda ye nyankopon ne boni wiase be bia metime achi ne afa ko di tumi na hye mensa Otumfour na ono mo so oka na obi aye no me oka me ndi so me na me se command mo ko so mo se ma jimi nyansa bia ni muterim mo wasefo twasefo aboa won betimi de memeti mo asereo agoro mani so metwa meti na mo fa nkosi sa mo jimifo na mo kosi no se mo hema o se han o jimifo na mo kosi no mo mra na mo metwa moa.
He had the guts to come out, make a video, several videos, and one video why multiple videos posted on his platform.
Jimmy no adea me Otumfour me otumi wo Asante region so me otumi wo Asante region so iti me ka obi abeda kwasi afo mini me nae momra me nae mona amoso ya prafo no achimifo no momra adea me ka no obi akwakwada achimifo na bededa o me na menam street ni mu asantefo achimifo munim nyansa asantefo ankasa nyansa bia ni omutirima achimifo nko a emmo asefo chafo
na oyicho mu se ono de o kasa wonti now a few moments later the nim ya demolition no
Okasano ano dede.
Demolishing them because I feel like say or more you see them on the social media once or more can say tia a paniphobia and answer up him so on. Omono they don't live on that area and I say they may be living in other parts of the country now. I feel want to young piamanoko. Now this guy no or tia kumase and was saying home and was saying casetia asantura like the owner of the land. Already I go for hey. Look at Maya. Some things happen and this guy, nobody is feeling sympathy for the guy. Because where you will be also we anti Ashanti be our own pay Asante for some. For maybe 1 or 2 reasons being to know and only your personal issue. But won't you got na me massa so now on sanka san doing sanka sentiame. That one it doesn't make sense. Yansa bako class say this already for Mustafa Pan. Now, Sarikwi, it will be long for Mustafa because he'll be trending all over the social media. I'm sure over 500 to say the picture tour. Few moments later. No, social media. I mean, the people should know how to use the social media. Some people are benefiting from the social media. They are benefiting from Facebook. They are benefiting from TikTok, YouTube, and all the social media handles. Now, some people are also misusing it because of or more personal perception be or more funny people that day. To free Masini Ashanti Reggie. No cotton abia by a person cotton now work can answer will be a major shade or the corner cotton on head at Toyampia. But you cannot live in someone's land and try to claim say we Charlie. Hi, Camera Studios. If you haven't followed this page, make sure to follow this page for more updates and for more news. Thanks for joining us today. We're finally out.